This very candlestick right here, which is a bearish hammer formation, changes everything on this very price action. Market move into this very area and we have rejection forming this very candlestick, exact point where we say market is going to come into, and right now market is moving upward. There is a change in market price right at this very point. Let's discuss the detail in this very video on BTCUSDT 4-hour chart. And if you come to the Pi price action, market drop as expected into this very level of important support. Markets enter support here as well in the past at this very point as well. What do you think is going to happen to the market right now? Because there is a good move coming into the market with this kind of volume, market is going to move all the way to this very point. Detail in this very video. And if you look at ETH have the major pump right now. Look at it, market move all the way from this very point of interest, and we are seeing this very area, market is moving upward. Market is going to create a new high in the next coming days. In my opinion, I will discuss the detail in this very video. All of this and many more in this very video. Watch this video gradually all the way to the very end. The first thing here is the Bitcoin price action. If you look at the Bitcoin price action, the 4-hour chart, this very area, support here, support at this very point, and we have this very rejection candle. Of course, we know that hammer formation are rejection candles in the market, and when we see a bullish candle that forms after a hammer formation in an uptrend, after a retracement, it means that market have capability of moving all the way to the upside, and that is exact same thing we are seeing in the market right now. Look at it right here. This is not just a normal candlestick pattern right at this very point, but we have other confirmation candles. We have this bullish candle right here, we have another bullish candle right at this very point, and this very candle that is forming right now, which means market have capability of moving all the way to the upside than coming all the way downward. And that is what I am paying attention to right now. Market is going to move all the way to the upside in my opinion. And even though we see the market come back down into this very area again, please don't take a short position. You taking a short position meaning you are trading against the trend. You are trading against the major move in the market, because the major move in the market right now is up. Okay, so pay attention to buying the market or pay attention to longing the market on futures. This is very, very important, because taking a short position will be very, very bad compared to taking a long position. We can see more of short liquidation in the next coming days than long liquidation, because the market is tending all the way upward. That is why I advise, in my opinion, you take long position on futures, or you look for buy opportunity on the price of Bitcoin. So what I'm expecting on the price of Bitcoin is for market to begin to move from here all the way to the upside. I'm not expecting the market to just move aggressively all the way to the upside, but we can see gradual move from this very area to the upside, and that is very, very important. And if market come back down, don't panic. It's an opportunity to buy more if you still have more fun, and from here market is going to move all the way to the upside. So right now for me, this very point of important support is a critical support we must pay attention to, because market have tested this area more than 3 times now, and that is why we need to pay attention to this. That means if market come into this very area, then there is a high chance of market moving upward from this very point. And if we see market come all the way to the downside from this very point, and we see a breakout here, then this can be very devastating for the market, because if this level have hold for more than 3 times and market break out with a bearish candle to the downside, it means that market can go all the way to the downside, which is not what I'm expecting right now. So pay attention to market moving upward from this very area. Market is going to begin to move all the way to the upside, even though I am expecting sluggish movement in the price of Bitcoin all the way to the upside right now. The Pi USDT 4-hour chart, it is discovered that this very price action have been very, very good, because in my last video I was talking about market coming all the way into this very point, and the exact same thing we are seeing right now. So this very area of important support right here is where the market is. Market is going to, from this very point, move all the way to the upside. So what I am expecting right now is for this very candle that is forming right here, this very bullish candle, let this candle close bullish, and once this candle close bullish, then market is going to move upward into this very area. This is what I am now expecting on the BTCUSDT 4-hour chart. So if you want to take a buy position for 6 months and 3 months holding on Pi, I believe the right time to take that very position is where the market is right now, because market now have more capability of moving all the way to the upside. This is very important for long-term holding. Pay attention, long-term holding, 3 months to 6 months. And I believe market from here is going to move all the way to the upside. Now, if you want to day trade, this is what I am now expecting. Wait for the market to move upward, and a breakout of this very area of important resistance right here is going to make the market to move upward, which means after this very movement, market is going to retrace and then move upward, and then you find a buy position after retracement of the impulsive move that I am expecting to come into the market right now. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now on the BTCUSDT 4-hour chart. This is very important. Conclusively, on the BTCUSDT 4-hour chart, if you want to buy for long term, then buy right here. And for day traders, wait for the market to move upward and break out of this level of important resistance right here. Then a retracement before the next move to the upside will be the best time to buy right here for the next impulsive move to the upside on the price of Pi. This is what you have to pay attention to be in the right direction of the market. ETH/USDT 4-hour chart, market is now moving all the way to the upside after this very move. Market correct a little bit, and then we are seeing this move already in the market. I believe in the next coming days, market is going to create a new high, higher than the previous high at this very point on ETH/USDT 4-hour chart, and this is what you need to pay attention to. That means altcoins is going to have significant increase in the next coming days and weeks. This is my personal opinion, because market have changed. The reason why we are seeing this very pump in the market is because of the news we had yesterday, as President Trump shifted the deadline of imposing 50% tariff on the EU from the 1st of June to 9th of July. This news alone have a lot of positive sentiment in the market, and I discussed this in my yesterday video, and that is the reason why we are seeing this very pump right now. So buy position will be the best thing to do on your altcoins, or you've not taken any position yet on any altcoins. The best time is right now. I believe on the price of ETH, market is going to make the next move upward, and then we are going to see correction to the downside, and then the next move to the upside as well in this very formation. This is what I am expecting right now on the price of ETH. Even though we see the price of ETH come back down from this very area to this level of support, I still believe strongly that the market have capability of moving all the way to the upside. And this is what we need to pay attention to be in the right direction of the market right now. And if you come to Solana USDT 4-hour chart right here, it is called that market is moving gradually from this very point of important support, which means market have capability as well to move from this very area all the way to the upside. That is what I am not expecting. Remember, this very point is our level of interest right here. We have support right here. We have support at this very point, and we have this very area right where the market moved from in the past, which means market from this very point have more capability moving all the way to the upside. Right now on Sol USDT 4-hour chart, this very chart is not that bullish, in the sense that we are not going to expect drastic move all the way to the upside. However, market is going to move gradually to the upside and not drastic. But if you come to the 1-day chart, it is called that very chart is very, very bullish, and the 1-week chart is super bullish. That is why paying attention to only the 4-hour chart will be very, very deceptive. So using the 1-day chart and the 1-week chart to look at this very 4-hour chart, market is going to move upward. Even though we don't see aggressive move on the 4-hour chart, a gradual movement is a possibility. On Sol USDT 4-hour chart, pay attention to this to be in the right direction of the market right now. And if you come to coin market cap, it is covered that the global crypto market capitalization have increased a little bit from what we saw yesterday of $3.44 trillion to $3.48 trillion. That is about $400 million liquidity have been flowing into the market right now, and more liquidity is going to come in as market begin to appreciate in price gradually all the way to the upside. And this is what we need to pay attention to. And if you come to trending coin, discover that ETH is topping the list. And if ETH is topping the list right at this very point, it means that altcoin is going to do well in the next coming days as well, especially if ETH keep this momentum moving all the way to the upside. This is what I'm personally expecting on these various charts. Pay attention to this to be in the right direction of the market. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, link in the description of this very video and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching.